Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's episode, we're going to do a product review in response to somebody's comment or review on that particular product. And the product is the Proraso Post Shave Professional Shave Powder. This is a look at it right here. It comes in this tin container. Looks like foil. And you can pour it into the Proraso shaker mug. It's got little holes on top so you can shake out the powder. The comment comes from Francisco Herrera, and he called it a hidden gem. He says, "Wow, I've been trying for so long to find ways to reduce my irritation and breakouts that I get from wet shaving. And this shave powder is absolutely the way. I have never used shave powder before, but this stuff stops my face from burning almost immediately if I went a little too rough that day. It keeps my face nicely smooth and dry for the whole day. A soft powder dryness, not a skin-tight dryness that makes your face all uncomfortably tight. I never get that dreaded itch burn in between the folds of my neck anymore that occur when I'm looking down for extended periods of time, like at my book or my phone. I got this with the Proraso Powder Shaker Dispenser, and one Proraso Post Shave Powder fills up the dispenser halfway, and it's plenty, though I wouldn't have minded filling it up all the way, as I know now I am going to use it all up. Wow, thank you, Geo, for having this available for us. My pleasure. My routine is now complete. Once I let the aftershave balm soak in and dry up a bit, I shake some of this powder onto the palms of my hands and pat it onto my face. I read some people use a brush to spread it onto the face more evenly, but I find it less irritating just using my hands. Thanks for these amazing experiences, Geo. Hopefully one day you can make a video talking about the benefits of shave powder. Other people need to know about this. Well, Francisco, here I am, and here we are, and here's the powder. Let's do it. As I said, it's a tin shaker, and it's the powder. It says mint and rosemary. Single blade Proraso Firenze. So what you do after your shave, I've just completed my shave right here. You can see I'm baby smooth. Just going to crack open this Proraso Aftershave Balm. We're going to follow Francisco's method here today. There's the bottle right there, the new bottle. Just a little bit in the fingertips. It's a thick balm, so you don't need much. Massage that together right into the skin. Then to speed up the drying process, you can take your towel, fold it in half, and just do a little dry off like this. That will accelerate the drying process. If you want to get psycho about it, you can take your blow dryer on a cool setting and do that. Let's remove the cap from the shaker. There we go. And then this is pressure fitted on top. It's friction fit. You need to pull this apart. It was a little bit difficult at first, but I got it off. Set that down and see if we can open this. Sometimes these things are a pain to open. Oh, here we go. There's a notch right here on the corner. Pull on that notch. I'm not even going to open it all the way. I'm just going to tear it just slightly. Very good. It does smell mint and rosemary. Okay, let's pour that right down into the container. Okay, I think we got it all in there. The pouch is empty. So let's reinsert the shaker cap. Press it down. All the way down. That's it. Snaps right down. Here's the cover for it. It's got the Proraso lion and a straight razor on it, if you can make that out. And that fits tightly over it, like so, for storage. Okay, but let's shake some into our hands, just like Francisco said to do. See how this works out. Comes out pretty lightly. Massage that right in. The neck area. Wow, it's pretty sweaty. It's warm in here today, And this really just dried the face. Pretty awesome. Even with the balm, it kind of just sealed everything. Very nice. And it's super smooth. Very smooth. And I was a little bit gleaming, glistening before. I didn't put it on the forehead. But even slight, what's left on my fingertips, dries off the forehead as well. Pretty amazing. Love it. Smooth. I could see where this would aid in irritation. If you have sensitive skin, this will be a nice finish to your shave. So it's very simple to use after your shave. Just take the Proraso Post Shave Powder, remove the cap, sprinkle it into your fingertips on the face. Gives you a nice dry, calm, soothing effect. If you suffer from any kind of irritation, this will be excellent for you. Francisco, thank you very much for taking the time to send a nice comment, a nice review of this product. I love the reviews are great. Whenever I buy something, I always go and check out the reviews. And Shave Nation has a lot of reviews. I think I'm going to say hundreds for sure, maybe even thousands. I don't know the exact number. But if you want to check out a product, just scroll down, check out the reviews. Some of our products have hundreds of reviews. So you can read about what other people think about it. And then if that suits you, you can go for the product. And if it doesn't suit you, go for something else. If you want to pick up any of these items, Proraso Post Shave Powder or the shaker tin for it, enter SN930 in the search box. It'll pop right up and you'll see the link to the Post Shave Powder tin as well. Apply your shave balm, let it dry thoroughly, and then apply the Proraso Post Shave Powder, and it'll absorb the excess moisture and make it less irritating on your skin. An excellent finish to your shave. I think it's a great product, especially on warm days. It'll dry off your skin and keep you feeling nice and cool. Please, before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there and then ring that bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.